You're broken again, I know that. All odds stacked against your heart. Right now you don't have a shoulder to keep your head from falling down. Hold on, wait a minute, Lola. There's things that you haven't done. There's something around the corner, and it's worth walking on and on. Do you need to keep a secret? And if you feel, give me the one. 'Cause you and me, do you need a reason? 'Cause if you feel, give me the one. I know your heart's in, but you don't have to be alone. Turning in a hardened stone. I try to help it, you're unreachable, and I can't hit you up no more. Oh, you're doing okay on your own. You're turning in a hardened stone. I try to help it, you're unreachable, and I can't hit you up no more. Yeah. Everything can buy your future. This moment is all you got. Hard time feeling like a loser, so you resign to the ones you love. Lola, I know you still got burning somewhere. Know you still got something on inside you that's keeping you here. Why don't you leave this town? Do it all right now. Stop calling out and making bucks, 'cause it just feels so rough for a real shit. I actually feel scared for you. No one should be going through the things you're going through, but God, I promise there's still something in this life for you. For you. For you. For you. Oh, I can hold it down. Feel around. Just keep walking on. Oh, just keep walking on. Yeah. Down for you, I'll be around. Be around for you. Just keep walking on. Walking on. Oh, I just keep walking on. Yeah. Oh, I can hold it down. I'll hold it down for you, I'll be around. I'll be around.